How to split text to columns in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheet on your device. As you can see, I have full name in one cell. Now, to split the text, you can simply select one or all the cells you want to change. Then at the top, click on Data. Then scroll down and then click on Split Text to Columns. After you have done that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Detect Automatically and you'll find different options. I'm simply selecting space. After I've selected space, as you can see, the text has been splitted. Press on Enter and you're good to go. This is how to split text to columns in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.